Welcome to this short tutorial about the new function where you can add audio and video files to the scenes of DMXControlPro. You can add a video, audio file or image to a scene. To show the video window, open the video window from the Windows menu. Drag it to the screen you want it on and double-click to make it full screen. Double-click again to end full screen. To add a file to a scene, double-click on the folder icon in the column of your choice. If you want the next scene after a video or audio file to stop playing, just type STOP in the AV field. In case of a video, the current frame will remain visible. You can also type CLEAR to remove the previous video from the screen and show a black screen. The image field can also be used to type CLEAR to remove the last image and set the screen to black. If you started a video or audio file at a scene and you add an image to the next scene, the video or audio file will continue playing, but the image will be overlaid over the video.
'Twas net na middernacht.